Hi guys, welcome to Pabbly Connect workshop. So in this video, we will learn how to integrate Stripe and FreshBooks. Our use case is pretty simple. When a new customer is created in Stripe, it will create a client in FreshBooks. Now Stripe is an online payment processing platform and FreshBooks is an online accounting software. So what we are going to do is, we are going to send the data from Stripe to FreshBooks. But there is one minor problem. The integration between Stripe and FreshBooks is somewhat limited. In cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. So in this video, we will use Pabbly Connect to integrate Stripe and FreshBooks. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is, there is no need for coding skills or programming language. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com. Press enter. Okay, so this is the website. Here you will find an option called as products. Hover on products and you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect. So when you click on connect, you will be brought to the website of Pabbly Connect. Here click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have an account in Pabbly Connect. You can build your own account in just 2 minutes. Here I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a free plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your own account just now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box. Actually, I would insist that you try this automation with me. It's actually pretty fun. Okay, so get on to this part called as connect and here click on access now. At the right corner, you will find a button called as create workflow. Click this. So a dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as Stripe to FreshBooks. Then click on create. So when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. Here in the choose app, let's make it as Stripe. In the choose method, since we are interested in getting the data when a new customer is created, so let's keep the choose method as new customer. Now new customer is basically a trigger. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger? Trigger is a if statement. It asks a question: if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new customer is created, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there are many more triggers like new order, new refund, new charge, new coupon, and so on. However, in case if you don't find the trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to make. Okay, so we are interested in creating a new customer in Stripe. So let's keep the method as new customer. So what we are trying to do is, if you are trying to understand, we are trying to connect Stripe to Pabbly Connect. So let me show you my Stripe account. Okay, so this is my Stripe account. Okay, so since we are interested in integrating Stripe to Pabbly Connect, let's go to this part called as developers. Click this. So in the developers, you will find an option called as webhooks. Click this. Okay, so at the right corner, you will find a button called as add endpoint. Click this. Okay, so a window of add endpoint has arrived in front of you. So here it is giving you a blank called as endpoint URL. We have to fill it. So to fill it, just go to Pabbly Connect and copy this. This is the webhook URL or the endpoint URL you want and paste it here. But before pasting, just remove this HTTP part and paste it. The description will remain empty and the version will remain same. Now coming to the most important part, events to send. So of course we want to send the data when a new customer is created. So that is the event, a new customer is created. So we are going to select the event as a new customer created. So let's see whether where we have a customer created. Yes, here it is, customer created. Click this, then click on add endpoint. So what have we done here is we have connected Stripe to Pabbly Connect. So let's see whether Pabbly Connect can capture any data from Stripe. So to do that, let's go to Pabbly Connect and click on this button called as capture webhook response. Okay, so it is showing that it is waiting for a data. So let's go to our Stripe and let's create a dummy customer. Here we are going to create a dummy customer. Okay, so the name of the dummy customer is, let's say, Jacobite. The email is jacob123word@gmail.com, something random, that's all. The description, let's say we are going to add the last name in the description because apparently there is no blank to fill the last name. So we are going to fill in the last name as in the description blank. Okay, so the last name, let's say, is Sharon. Okay, let's keep it as Sharon. Okay, that would work. So in the country, let's say it's let's say Jacobite is from India. The address line 1. So in the address line 1, we are going to type the corporation name or the company name where the person called as Jacobite works. This is because that there is no blank for company to be filled in Stripe. Okay, so that is why we are going to mention the company name in address line 1. So the address line, the company he is working in is SBIN Corporation. Okay, Corporation. Address line 2, near Apsara Talkies. City is Bhopal, I guess, that would work. Postal code is 75001. State is Madhya Pradesh. Okay, time zone, let's keep it as nil. Language, let's keep it as English. The currency is INR, Indian rupee. Okay. The tax status is taxable. The tax ID is just random. Then click on add customer. Okay, so the postal code is giving wrong. So 462023. Okay, that would work. Then click on add customer. Okay, so it's showing that the customer has been created and the name is Jacobite and the email is jacob123@gmail.com. And this is the description or the last name. So let's see whether Pabbly Connect, since it is integrated with Stripe, has captured this data or not. So let's go to Pabbly Connect. Yes, the data has been captured. So this is the city, okay, the Bhopal that we had mentioned, and this is the address line 1 or the corporation or the company where this person Jacobite is working. So let's see where the rest of the details. The email has been captured. This is jacob123word@gmail.com. And the name is Jacobite and the rest of the details like the postal code and so on. So we have successfully got the data from Stripe and placed it into Pabbly Connect. Now we have to sync this data to FreshBooks. To do that, just click on this plus button. So when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. Here in the Choose app, let's make it as FreshBooks, because that's what we want. We want to send the data from Stripe to FreshBooks. Okay. In the Choose method, since we are interested in creating a client, let's keep it as create a client. Now, of course, there are many more actions like create invoice, create project, send invoice, and so on. However, similarly like triggers, if you don't find the action of your choice, you can make a request at admin@pabbly.com to build a custom action for you. Okay. But at present, I am interested in keeping the method as create a client. Then click on connect with FreshBooks. In new credentials, just click on connect with FreshBooks. Okay, so while FreshBook is connecting with Pabbly Connect, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% secure with us. Okay, then click on OK. So in the account ID, it is mapping Ashirai. That is because the name of my account ID is Ashirai. Okay, so it has basically mapped it. So in the email, we are going to map in the email that we have received from Stripe. So the mapping button is this. Okay, this 3 horizontal line is called as the mapping button. Click this and you will get the email, that is jacob123word@gmail.com. The first name was Jacobite. Okay, Jacobite, yeah, this one. So we have mapped that also. The last name was actually in the description. As I mentioned before, there was no blank to fill for the description, no blank to fill for the last name. So we are keeping it as in the description and we have mapped it. So the phone number, I think we have mapped it. No, we didn't map the phone number for some reason. The organization name, it was in the address, SBIN Corporation. In the language, we actually have to just type EN for English. Okay. In the primary street, we actually had street or something. Address line 2. We're just going to map in the address line 2 near Apsara Talkies. Primary city, I think it was Bhopal. Okay. Primary state, it was Madhya Pradesh something. I think we had that data. MP, yeah. Postal code was we had made an error in that. Yes, we got the postal code. Primary country, I think it was India. Yes, India. So VAT name and VAT number is not needed. Just click on save and send test request. Yes, the API response is showing that the data has been sent to FreshBooks. So let's see whether we have a client called as Jacobite. So let's refresh this. Yes, there is a client called as Jacobite Sharon. So let's expand this, and these are the details I have. These are the details. This is the email and this is the address, rest of the details. Okay, so the presence of this client shows that we have connected Stripe and FreshBooks with help of Pabbly Connect. This means anytime a customer is created in Stripe, it will create a client in FreshBooks. But to double check it if the integration is working fine or not, let's make one more dummy customer in Stripe. But before that, let me show you the whole gist of the process. Let's minimize this action window and let's minimize this trigger window. Okay, so this is the whole process in a nutshell. First, you integrated Stripe to Pabbly Connect. Then you integrated Pabbly Connect to FreshBooks. So now there is a perfect flow of data between Stripe and FreshBooks. So let's make one more customer in Stripe. So this time the name is Mirara Jane. Okay. The account email is maryjane123sgt@gmail.com. Something random, that's all. The description is here I'm going to put in the last name of this Mirara Jane. So let's say it's James. Okay, that would do. The country, let's keep it as France. So the corporation that she works in is DLF company. Okay. The address line 2 near Telephone Village or something random. Postcode is, since it is France, let's enter a proper postcode. Last time we made an error in that. City is Paris. 9131323917. Language is, let's keep it as English. Currency is franc or Swiss franc. Let's go with Swiss franc. Tax status is taxable. Tax ID is just random. Then click on add customer. Okay, so it is showing that the customer has been created. So let's see in our client whether we have a person called as Mirara Jane. Let's go back actually in clients. Yes, we have a person called as Mirara Jane James. Okay, so let's expand this. Here are the rest of the details. Okay, so the integration is working absolutely fine. So from now onwards, whenever a customer is created in Stripe, it will be reflected in FreshBooks.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate a plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or just visit us at www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.